let's start with our TCM pattern differentiation according to Zhang for organ patterns. 2. Let's start. Okay. What are the 4 patterns of heart deficiency? Mom Joy, would you like to guess? So these are all heart deficiency patterns. Can you mention 4 of them? So it's actually very easy because all you have to do is to know the vital substances, di ba? It's just heart Chi deficiency
Yes,
and
Doc.
heart yang deficiency, heart blood
Heart chi
deficiency.
deficiency, heart blood.
Yes, and heart yang
Is there
deficiency.
only four, Doc? One, two.
Yeah, and
Heart
this
yin, heart
deficiency
blood, heart
pattern.
yang, and heart chi.
Yes. So this is
Yep.
according to hierarchy, no?
Yes, Doc.
Okay, what are the 3 heart excess patterns? So there are 3 heart, although there are more, but the most common ones
Heart
are,
fire. Heart
hyperactive heart
fire.
fire, okay, phlegm fire harassing heart, and phlegm confounding the heart orifices. During the discussion of bipolar disorder, we have, this is frequently mentioned, no? Yes. Hyperactive heart fire, phlegm fire, harassing the heart, and phlegm confounding or obstructing the heart orifices. What are the major heart signs? So when you diagnose a pattern, you need to be able to know the signs that will pertain to a particular organ. Okay? So first we have the spirit disquiet. So there will be vexation. So that means the spirit here is very restless. It's very unsettled. There will be agitation, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, mania. So this is something to do with the Shen or spirit not having a home, not having residence, no? And then a second is palpitations and irregular pulse. So when you do pulsing, you will notice that the heart rhythm is so irregular and sometimes it's too confusing, no? So you have to immediately ask the patient, do you have palpitations? So that's definitely a heart issue, heart sign. So if the chi dynamic is obstructed, there will be oppression and or pain in the chest. So obstruction means an excess pattern. Okay. So obstruction, there will be oppression in the chest or pain in the chest. Next, can you guess the pattern, Mom? Okay, finally, we found someone. Mom Mary Jen, good afternoon.
So,
Wow.
good afternoon.
Okay.
Long time
Can you
no see,
tell
no?
us ano yung number 4? Okay. Can you tell us the pattern? So
Wait lang
pale
po.
luster, maputla, shallow complexion, and then may dizziness siya. There's palpitations, fearful throbbing, and the Shen is so restless, or the spirit is quite.
Heart. Okay, I think it's heart yin deficiency.
Yin
Ano ba?
deficiency kaagad. Did we mention
Kasi,
about
ano ba? Wait lang.
did we mention about night sweats? Wag kaagad yin
Ay,
deficiency.
heart blood, back,
Yun na.
back,
No, heart blood deficiency. Don't change your answer. You're correct. Okay?
Thank you.
Great.
Yes. Thank
Next.
you.
Okay, since nasagot mo, what do you expect to see in the tongue and pulse?
Number 5. I think it's pale, thin, slightly dry, and then sa pulse niya is stubby or fine.
Very good.
Okay.
Good, very complete. Okay, anong pattern po ito, Ma'am Mary Jen?
Yes, yung kanina is heart blood.
So ito, ano na to? Okay, nakikita mo to? Can you see this? Night sweats.
Yes, night sweat.
Oo, afternoon
Night
tidal
sweat.
fever, Mahler reddening of the cheeks, smaller flush. So ano na po ito? What's the pattern? Diretso, dali.
Mostly as a heart related sa heart, so heart fire, something like that.
No, fire ka agad. Grabe naman.
Heart
Ano?
blood.
No? Worse than that.
Heart yin.
Kanina it was heart blood deficiency. And you don't find the symptoms. So what's the next one? Oh, dry mouth and throat,
Heart blood.
dizziness, palpitations also, and fearful throbbing. Spirit is quiet. What's your answer? What is an aggravation of heart blood deficiency?
Aggravation. Nagbakasyon na rin yung utak ko.
Hindi pwede magpakasyon. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yan. Okay. Ano po? Where does the blood fall? Anong umbrella does it fall under?
Blood. Okay.
So this is the
Yes.
worst scenario of heart blood deficiency, no? Hindi lang nilagay dito na wala na yung coating ng tongue kasi masyado namang obvious. Okay, so what's your answer? You only have 4 choices. Heart blood deficiency, heart chi deficiency, heart yin deficiency, or heart yang deficiency. What's your answer?
Try ko yung heart yang deficient.
No,
Heart yang.
why should you say
Pwede,
heart
pwede.
yang? Wala ngang feeling of cold, 'di ba?
Heart yang. Edi.
Okay.
Ito yung sagot ko, heart blood lang po, Dok. Nilagay ko dito.
No, it's not heart blood deficiency. It's worse than that. Okay?
Okay.
Walang ganito sa heart blood deficiency. You don't feel you don't feel as if may fever pag hapon. So, heart blood deficiency or heart yin
Okay.
deficiency?
Okay.
Heart yin deficiency.
Okay, very good.
Heart yin.
So, if your answer is heart yin deficiency, ano itsura ng tongue and pulse?
So yung kanina is pale, wet, swollen, deep, weak,
I'm sorry.
and hindi.
Remember, this is heart yin deficiency. So usually it's a payat.
Okay. Wala.
Okay.
So yun.
Let's start with the pulse. The tongue pala, the tongue. So if you have yin deficiency, what happens to the coating in the tongue?
I think it's thick.
No, why should it be
Okay.
thick?
Manikip.
Sumakit yung ulo ko.
Baliktad. Heart yin.
Have you been okay?
Yeah, absent ako.
Okay, when you say yin deficiency, do you expect a coating to be intact?
No, there will be no coat na.
No
No.
coat. No coat. And yeah, so if the pulse is fast, so usually you will have a rapid and thin pulse.
Rapid.
Thin yung pulse kasi yin deficiency yan, walang nutrients, no? And then pag may empty heat na yan, red with little yin. Sometimes hindi naman red yung tongue, but walang coating. Okay? Number 8.
Okay.
Oh my God, lumabas na yung sagot. Okay, what is your answer here?
Number 8, Doc. Yes. Actually, I'm wrong. Heart, blood vessel. So,
What is your
supposed to be
answer
heart
here?
chi. Heart vessel obstruction. So
No,
that's
why should
wrong.
there be obstruction? Do you feel,
Nagkapalit-palit. Yung number 9 ko is heart chi deficiency. So,
okay, tingnan mo ha, shortness of breath exacerbated by exertion. The key word here is exacerbated. Lumalala pag nag-exert. So that's very chi deficiency. Since we have
Yes.
palpitations here, so this is definitely heart. Okay? pale, bright complexion, dizziness, laziness to speak, spontaneous sweat, okay? Stifling oppression
Yes.
and pain in the heart, okay? That's heart chi deficiency. Okay, can you tell us how the tongue and pulse of heart chi deficiency would?
Predicted. So it's ano daw,
Do you expect to see something remarkable in the tongue? Remember, this is just chi deficiency. And when you say deficiency, what do you expect the color of the tongue to be? Should it be pale or should it be red?
supposed to be it's pale.
Okay, so there's pale, nothing else. And what about the pulse? Should it be
Empty or thready,
empty or weak?
irregular.
It
Yes,
could be pain interrupted. Very good. Now, what about this? What is your diagnosis here? So this is basically a repetition of the previous pattern plus cold.
Heart vessel obstruction.
Why should it be? Okay.
Baliktad yata, or heart lung deficiency.
Una, what is obstruction? Is it supposed to be excess or deficiency?
Deficient.
Pag hilig-hilig mo ng heart vessel obstruction. Don't go directly to heart vessel obstruction. Dito muna tayo sa simple. Okay? So this is basically the same as the previous question, except that meron siyang cold. So, this is basically heart chi deficiency na naging
Heart deficiency.
hindi, bakit mag-heart chi deficiency? Oh gosh.
Hindi pala.
Did you make your assignment, Ma'am Mary Jen?
Yes, so kaya lang nagkapalit-palit yung...
Hindi po pwede yun. You should double check your answers. You just don't... Okay. The answer should be heart-yang deficiency. Okay, can you tell us the tongue and pulse picture for the heart-yang deficiency?
Heart-yang deficiency, it's supposed to be
Heart-yang
pale.
deficiency. Don't say yin deficiency.
Oh, sorry. Heart-yang deficiency, it's supposed to be yung tongue is pale, get swallow, or purplish dark tongue. Tapos deep, weak,
Should it be
or
purplish ka agad? Ang bilis mo naman. Wag muna. There's just cold. Okay? Okay.
pale, wet,
What happened
swollen.
to you? We were just on vacation for 2 weeks. Okay. When you have heart-yang deficiency, when you look at the tongue, it's a little bit moist, especially the coat is moist. So that's a very pathognomonic of heart-yang deficiency. And the pulse, of course, is slow, sinalalamig, faint, or rapid, and forceless, interrupted. Can be rapid, pero forceless. No, walang force. Next, what is your pattern here? Ito na, bluish, ano na to. So this is actually advanced stage ng yang deficiency desertion. Okay? So when you have advanced stages of deficiency desertion, ano yung pulse niya? Will you be able to feel the pulse?
Actually very thin at saka weak din. So
Yeah, very faint and fine, verging on expiry. Mukhang mawawala na. So that means malapit na. Okay, number 14. What is the mild presentation of heart P? You know what's heart B? Heart P is heart or chest painful obstruction. Okay? B means painful obstruction. So dito napapasok yung pinipilit mo kanina. Okay, what is the presentation here?
So what? It's often described as dual ache or pressure. So it's malpresentation. Heart B syndrome. Yeah.
When you say heart B, there should be a little pain. So since this is mild, so the pain is dull. And there is oppression in the area anterior to the heart. Okay?
Irregular siya.
What does the patient complain of pag severe na yung heart B?
Feeling of tightness or heaviness. Tapos nagpa-blush yung lips niya and cold limbs, indicating a poor circulation and severe yang deficiency.
Did you mention something about pain? This time, para ka ng parang inipit yung puso mo sa vice, gripping pain in the heart.
Wow.
Okay? Your complexion is green, blue, or purple. The limbs are cold, of course, and the pulse are faint, verging on expiry. Mukhang pawala na. Next, what is your diagnosis here?
Fever, heart fire, blazing.
Okay, great. Yes, it should be heart fire. Hyperactive heart fire or heart fire blazing. Okay, can you tell us the pulse and tongue picture of hyperactive heart fire?
So the pulse is rapid, mabilis. Tapos yung tongue niya indicates heat pag ready. So
Yes.
reflects the sense of
And what
heat.
about the coating? Do you expect the coating to be clean?
Mostly siya red pag wala pag hard. So pag overactive.
Red
So,
coating? Mukhang iba yata red coating.
Pag walang red. Siya
Wala namang red coating.
walang coating.
Are you
Yeah.
sure? This is hyperactive heart fire. This is excess. This is not deficiency.
Excess condition.
Yeah.
So force to indicate that's it.
Okay. There's there is yellow coating. The tip is red. Just like my patient this morning. And he was telling me, why is it that I have tongue also, yung singaw-singaw in Tagalog, no? So,
The tip.
yun. Okay. He is on maintenance medication. He came because of low back pain. And he is beginning to feel that it's like sciatica, no? So, makes sense? When I look at the
Yes.
tongue, the tongue is ang kapal ng coating, a little bit yellow. Yeah. Yun. Okay, are we good?
Yes.
So, pag maraming erosions, may cracks, or may mga singaw-singaw, that's heart fire. Okay, can you tell us the answer here? Dull abdominal pain. Okay, naka-bold ang borborygmi. So, when you see the symptom borborygmi, that will tell us immediately there is an issue with this, with the Zangfu. So, what is your diagnosis here?
Small intestine deficiency and cold.
Very good. Yeah. And the last, this one is this.
So, a full heat in the small intestine.
Okay. Good. So basically, when you talk about the small intestine, this is the young counterpart of the heart already. So yung heat niya nag-spill over na po sa small intestine. So we still have to treat the heart here, no? So ibig sabihin naging super init na nag-young. So this is even worse than the previous pattern. Okay. So as you can see, merong thirst with a desire to drink cold liquid. Okay, so that's super init. Okay. And the tongue is red with redder swollen tip, yellow coat, and bounding pulse, especially in the front pulse, no? It happens with urination issues. Kaya ihi ng ihi, just like my patient. No? Ihi siya ng ihi. 3-4 times in the evening. Next. Ano po ito? Your last question before we proceed to Doc Janine, who is so excited. Mukhang bumabagyo ngayon sa Baguio. Where are you,
I
Mary?
think
Yeah. What's your answer?
yes. I think it's kidney tree deficiency. Kidney tree.
Kidney? What makes you say it's kidney?
Kidney.
Did the pain originate in the back? Tinan mo, twisting.
Lower abdominal twist pain.
Pumunta sa likod. No? Okay, pag sumasakit na yung testis, no? Nakita mo yung medyo
Yes,
kaputi. Take note, deep, wiry rear pulses. So that means grabe yung pain. This is what you call hernia, if you're familiar with hernia.
Oh.
So this is small intestine chi pain. So, yun. Okay? Thank you so much, Mary Jen.
Thank you so much. Sorry po, nagkapalit
It's okay. Patawagan kita ulit mamaya once matapos tayo. So you have a lot of time to redeem yourself. Let's go to Dr. Janine, who is so excited about the typhoon, Julian.
Ano ba yan, Doc? It's so cold here.
Hindi obvious. Okay. Okay, let's do this fast. Okay, severe abdominal pain. Okay, ito tingnan nyo ha. Okay, you have to tell me. Kanina it was hernia, that small intestine chi pain. This time, this is another one. This is very common.
But it's still small intestine, Doc.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Small intestine chi, which is tied.
Yeah, and what do you call this commonly known as?
Ano yun?
Sige na, applicant ko na. So your answer is small intestine chi tied. It's actually appendicitis. No?
Okay.
Yes. Oo.
Wow.
Are you familiar with the appendix? The appendix is actually part, it's a, call this ay parang sobra, no? Pero meron pala siyang role according to the naturopaths. Okay? So it's actually in the boundary between parang nasa siya, sa dulo ng isa, tapos parang siya, doon, parang sentinel siya, kaya nga may purpose siya. Although, we don't usually consider this as useful. Kaya tinatanggal. But I strongly disagree. Everything in our body has a purpose. So this is definitely excess, constipation, vomiting, borborygmi, flatulence, and then pag tinignan mo, thick white coat, no? Deep wiry. Okay. So number 22, what's your answer here? This is pretty obvious.
Yeah, actually, I didn't get anything online on this, but I would think, sir, Doc, diarrhea na to, hindi ba?
Yeah, so what's your pattern here? Puro worm.
Oo nga, puro worm. I don't know what you would call the pattern.
Small
but
intestine worm. There's no pattern because you don't treat this with acupuncture. You have to use medications, no?
Oo. Basta SI.
Yes. Next. Okay, you have to tell me, kanina we talked about heart signs. This time, kasi this is about Zhang Fu pattern differentiation. First of all, you need to know what organ is being affected. So you need to look for the signs. So if a patient comes to you with distending or burning pain in the chest, hypochondrium, lower abdomen and head, masakit doon, and then dizziness, blurred vision, irritability, anger, numbness of the limbs, trembling hands, convulsion, menstruation, or testis disorder, and depression. Ano pong Zhang Fu ito?
It's the liver.
Very good. Wow. Ang ganda, ang galing. So very, nandyan na yung hypochondrium. Tremors, no? That's very liver. Okay. Ano naman to? This is also a Zhang Fu organ. There's hypochondriac pain. There's bitter taste in the mouth. The patient is jaundiced. There's palpitations due to fright. So that means sobra na yung fright niya, and insomnia. What's your answer here?
Gallbladder manifestations.
Very good.
Gallstone na to. Gallstone na yan, Doc.
Yeah. What about this? What is the pattern here? This is very common.
Liver chi stagnation.
Very
So-
good. Easy, no? Next,
So-
what is the treatment principle for liver chi stagnation?
That's what I didn't get, Doc. I didn't know what TX was. So I didn't get anything.
Okay. That's treatment principle.
That's
Sorry.
what
So, how are you going to, remember, I'm not asking for points, only the treatment principle. Kasi you would know what to do already. Okay?
what would I do with the liver chi stagnation?
Mhm.
Mm,
You have to relieve the stagnation.
yun lang, Doc, yung sasabihin mo, relieve.
Yes.
Akala ko naman, Doc, I will check him. Oo nga naman, kasi
Yeah.
treatment is still the points. Okay, Doc.
Okay. What about this? What is your answer here?
I got liver flaring up.
Very good. Excellent.
Hyperactivity.
Okay, you see, ang bilis, no? Actually, if you see only one, like, you need to look for something that will immediately tell you. Like, tinan nyo, nakahiwalay ang tongue and pulse. Sa tongue pa lang, it's so obvious already, no?
Yeah.
Next. So what's the treatment principle?
Relieve the liver fire.
Very good. Great. Easy. Okay. We're inviting you to the Revalida ng mga ano if you have time later, ha? There are like
Pwede, Doc?
13
Pwede.
of them. Of course.
Sige, Doc.
Oh, they're so good. They're all of them. They're so
We can do that.
prepared. Especially the one who's she left na yata. She left na. Oh, they're all studying. Grabe. Oh, you should watch later. So we'll have a short break. Okay, we have to finish this by 6 o'clock.
Yes, Doc.
6:30 po. Yung iba dyan, you might be interested. So what's your diagnosis here?
I got liver blood deficiency.
Brilliant. Galing. What's your treatment principle?
Increase blood. Parang yung spleen, Doc, di ba? Tama?
I think a better term would be nourish. So this is
Ayun.
where you have to nourish the liver blood. So this is where you get to think of supplements or
Food.
food that is very liver friendly. And tinan mo, it's a bit strange, no? The color of the liver kasi, if it's healthy, it should be green. So you have to eat dark greens.
Yeah. Diba? Sabi mo nga, bitter to the mouth, but sweet to the liver.
Oh, yes. Next, what's your answer here?
I got liver yin deficiency.
Very good. What makes you say that?
Ooh. The high fever, night sweats, dry mouth. The movement of the limbs is talagang liver, di ba?
Oh, yeah. Involuntary.
And then
Yes.
burning pain in causal hypochondriac. But, Doc, nakaka-confuse to. Pwede mong isiping kidney, no?
Yeah. Actually, kidney and liver, they are like, they have a
Tandem.
mutual relationship, actually. So you just need to be able to really, you have to probe deeper talaga.
And you
So,
said that night sweats is a deficiency.
yes. Yes.
You said that.
Yeah. And tingnan mo yung pulse niya. When you see
Very.
white pulse, that's very liver. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, what's the treatment principle?
Nourish the liver pa rin, Doc. Diba?
Yes, nourish the liver yin.
Mm-mm.
Nourish the liver yin. Okay, what's your answer here?
Liver yang rising.
And what makes you say that?
The forceful and rapid,
Mhm.
and headache, irritability, and
Yes,
anger.
the red eyes. Yeah. Great.
Mhm.
What's your
Yeah.
treatment principle?
Reduce the liver yang.
Yes. And
Ano ba yun?
also, they have to calm the liver.
Ayun, calm the liver. That's
Calm the liver,
word.
suppress hyperactivity of yang. Okay. What's your answer here?
Liver yang turning into wind.
Very good. Great. So you see, this is the reason why, the wind here is very, parang stroke talaga. Kaya wag masyadong magalit, no? Oh,
Oh.
so
Yung
kanina,
shaking dog, yung mga nagaganyan,
yeah,
mga wind, di ba?
yeah. Kanina nagulat nga ako kasi, ay naku, why is your tongue red? Doktora siya. Then, nagulat, na ano kasi siya nagalit sa isang staff. Yan. And, okay.
Oh,
So,
wow.
okay. So, sabi niya, I have something to confess. 4 days ago, she was like, she was so embarrassed kasi lumabas yung pagkatotoo niya kasi mayroong ginawang anomalya. Money matters. O, sino ba
Ganun
naman
ba?
hindi mag-ano? Okay, so yun. So pwede tayo ma-stroke sa totoo.
Mm.
See,
True.
they were young. Okay. Deviation of the eyes and mouth, no?
Yeah.
Hemiplegia. So that's very
Yeah.
weird. So nangmula yan. So yeah, you need to calm the liver. And then sometimes kasi most people are prone to this because of their diet and the lifestyle talaga, no?
Mm.
So yun. Next. Treatment principle.
Reduce liver yang.
And
The wind, what is the word, Doc? I don't know. Calm
calm
the
the
wind.
liver and the wind.
Ayan, calm
If you can
the
calm the
wind.
liver, you are able to remove the wind. Okay. Nourish the yin so that it can subdue the yang. So when you have kasi too much liver yang, there is inability of the yin to control it. So you need to nourish the yin. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, if you don't eat kasi gulay, kung sa bagay, isa kong pasyente, he's a lawyer. O, diba, ang ganda-gandang patient. So, he had to admit to me na he doesn't eat greens. Okay. So, good luck.
Ako.
So, I think, Doc Chuning, you have to come up with something that makes the greens taste. And he was already 70. Okay.
Oh my.
So,
Juicing lang yan, Doc. Juicing.
kaya nga,
Yummy.
mag-ano ka kaya, mag-vlog about choosing. No?
Gawin
Saka may ano daw. Yeah. Okay. Next. What's your answer here?
Extreme heat producing wind.
Very good. So you see, extreme heat can also produce wind.
Yes.
Treatment principle.
Reduce the heat.
Okay, of course. You have to
Calm
remove
the
the
wind.
heat. Next, what's your answer here?
Yin deficiency stirring wind.
Okay.
Palms.
What
Hindi
makes
ko
you
mag-get
say,
I don't know what's the stirring wind, Doc.
ano,
Trembling hands
papunta na sa
kasi.
wind. So, ibig sabihin, how do you call this? Kasi the pulse is already wiry. No? Wiry na po yung pulse niya. Pag wiry kasi, it's, papunta na sa wind. Okay. What's your treatment principle?
Nourish the yin.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much. We'll call you again later. That'd be okay.
Doc.
Yeah, wag mo na kayong aalis. Okay, let's call on Ma'am Erdeles Gonzaga. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Yes, we're getting ready after enjoying the scalp acupuncture by Dr. Gavin.
Yes.
Okay, answer mo dito.
Blood deficiency stirring wind.
Yes. Kasi nagtitremble na. Nagtitremble na. Kaya wag masyadong isnabin yan, no? And what will you do? Like, what is your treatment principle?
Nourish blood and calm the wind.
Okay, nourish
Tama ba?
nourish liver blood to calm the.
Liver.
Very good.
Ito.
What's your answer here?
Retention of cold in liver channel.
So it's the liver channel, especially pag malapit na dun sa private part mo. That's very liver channel. You may not have experienced this. Of course, this is experienced by men. Nagko-contract so yun, pag nalalamigan. Okay? What's your treatment principle?
Sa retention po, Doc.
Yes.
Warm po.
I-warm mo yung liver. Painitin mo, moksa mo yung liver channel. Next, what's your answer here?
Damp heat in liver and gallbladder.
This is the key symptom, bitter taste. Okay, bitter taste. So dump it in the liver and gallbladder. What's your what about this? O ito dito na nagmula Okay, listen to this, my mom Mary Jan. You'll be the next. Nandito rin si doktora. Okay, good afternoon. Baka pinauwi mo na yung pasyente mo, doktora.
Minadali na po, Doc.
Ay,
Good evening po.
Diyos ko, baka natabingi yung ngipin. Sorry.
Hindi na. It's
Hindi
okay,
ko kayo
Doc.
pinilit, Hindi ko kayo pinilit. Okay. Let's go to Ma'am Erdeles. What's your answer here?
Kidney Qi deficiency.
Okay, very good. CC. Soreness and weakness of lower back and knees. Okay, hearing loss. That's very kidney. Next. Tongue and pulse po ng kidney Qi deficiency.
Tongue is pale and flabby. The pulse is deep and weak.
Very good. Okay, ano yung key? Dito, acupuncture points, I think mali ako dito. You were talking about the symptoms that will make you immediately think that it is kidney Qi deficiency. So yung mga key symptoms dapat ang ginamit dito sorry.
Soreness and weakness of the lower back and knees po.
Yes.
Deep
What
and weak
else?
pulse. Deep and weak pulse.
Okay. And also the Qi deficiency
Very
signs and
deficiency.
symptoms. So this is very, very kidney. And then what's your answer here?
Kidney Qi failing to secure pattern.
Okay. Yeah. What makes you say so?
Yung habitual miscarriage po.
Okay. Ito yung tinatawag din na kidney Qi not firm. Yes. Habitual miscarriage. So dito mo makikita na may kinalaman talaga si kidney sa uterus, no? Another term for this is kidney Qi not firm. Kidney Qi failing to secure pattern. Iba din yung failure of the kidney Qi to anchor the lung Qi. Okay? Now it's getting clearer and clearer. Number 50. Kidney Qi, what is the tongue and pulse picture of kidney Qi failing to secure?
Ang tongue is pale and the pulse is weak.
Okay. Wala masyadong makikita. No? So you have to base your diagnosis sa symptoms. So what are the key?
Doc, paano kung buntis siya? Di syempre siya sa kidney Qi failing. How will you?
No, you will only know that kung may kidney Qi failing na, nagbi-miscarriage.
Oo.
So hindi siya
Nagsuspotting, di ba?
mabubuntis. Yes.
Okay. So pwede yung... Okay. Sige. Alright.
Okay. Sana naman hindi ka dumugi ng mga nag-miscarriage ng mga pasyente. Okay. Next, Ma'am Erdeles. What are the key points of kidney Qi failing to secure?
Isa po yun, yung habitual miscarriage, lower back region and knees, lower back pain region and knees, soreness, weakness, tinnitus.
Okay. So, you will immediately ask the patient, lalo na pag nagka-miscarriage na, is it like, did it happen only once, twice, yung ganon, no? Next, what is your pattern here?
Kidneys failing to grasp key pattern.
Okay, ito na yung sinasabi ko, matanda na nag-asthma pa, no? And there is difficulty inhaling. The patient feels, madali pa siyang maka-exhale kaysa magka-inhale. Kaya ngayon pa lang, kailangan practicein niyo na mag-inhale. Okay? So, yun. So, like chronic wheezing, if the doctor is not very good, hindi nag-train sa TCM, so most likely, iti-treat niya po yung lungs. Where in reality, you should be treating the kidneys, di ba? Tapos sa tingnan nyo, pag severe cases, dark na yung complexion. Okay, tongue and pulse picture sa kidneys failing to grasp the Qi.
Tongue is also pale and the pulse is weak.
Okay. Sometimes you don't see any tongue, no? Not applicable. Pero the pulse is big without root. Next, key points ng kidneys failing to grasp the Qi pattern.
frequent urination, dribbling after urination, incontinence, spermatoria, premature ejaculation.
Okay. Okay. Anong pattern to? Harder to inhale than exhale.
Ganun din po, Doc. Kidney
Yun na
failure.
rin. Yes. Yes. Next, what is your pattern here? Take note, may mga cold, oh.
Kidney yang deficiency pattern.
Very good. What is the tongue and pulse picture of kidney yang deficiency pattern?
The tongue is pale and flabby and the pulse is deep, weak.
Okay. Ginagawa mo to sa mga pasyente mo, di ba?
Opo.
Yes. Key points.
Disorder of sexual reproductive function, general hyperactivity, hypoactivity of physical function, plus the deficiency of cold sign and symptoms.
Very good. Okay. Anong pattern po ito?
Kidney yang deficiency with water effusion.
Okay. Or, yes. What is the tongue and pulse picture?
The tongue is pale flabby tongue body with a thick or greasy white coating.
Okay.
Tapos ang pulse ay deep, thin, and weak.
Very good. Thank you so much, Ma'am Erdeles.
Thank you po, Doc.
Good job. Congratulations. Parang perfect yata. Okay. Now let's call on Dr. Mary Angeli. Thank you for your pasalubong.
Hello, Doc. Yes, Doc. Good evening.
Okay, you can go back to your patient right after this, 61 to 80. Sorry. Okay, what are the key points po sa kidney yang deficiency with water effusion?
Teething edema worse in the lower extremities. There's scanty urination,
Okay.
intolerance of cold and cold limbs. In addition to the kidney, this pattern must involve at least two other organs such as the heart, lung, or spleen.
So it's basically a multi-organ, no? Na-notice nyo pag kidney affected na, hindi lang po ang kidney affect. Kasama na dyan yung heart and spleen, saka lungs. Diba? Kidney, heart, lungs, spleen. Yun. Next, what is your pattern here, Doktora?
It's kidney and deficiency pattern.
Okay, why so?
Ano ba to?
Why did you say so? Ano po dito? Very easy, no? Easy. Low-grade fever, malar flush, no? The usual. Alam na.
Nice.
Alam na di. Next, tongue and pulse.
The tongue is the red tongue with scanty coating, and the pulse is thin and rapid.
Great. Key points ng kidney and deficiency pattern.
There's soreness and weakness of the lower back and knees, dizziness, vertigo, tinnitus, nocturnal emission or abnormal menses, plus deficiency heat signs and symptoms.
Okay, good. What's your pattern here? This is gonna the loss of hair and teeth.
It's kidney essence deficiency pattern.
Premature aging. They don't necessarily have to include all of this, no? So you can also have this pattern kahit bata. Especially pag matagal nag-close yung fontanelles. Okay? Next. Tongue and pulse po ng kidney essence deficiency.
The tongue is pale while the pulse is deep, weak, and thin.
Very good. Key points ng kidney essence deficiency pattern.
There's growth, developmental delay in children, sterility, infertility, or premature aging in adults without apparent heat or cold signs and symptoms.
Good. Pathological changes and major clinical manifestations in UB patterns. Bladder natal.
Yes, there will be difficulty in urination, There's also frequent urination or urinary incontinence, and there's lower abdominal pain and distension.
Very good. Okay, what is the pattern here? Bedwetting, urinary incontinence, cold limbs.
It's urinary bladder Chi code,
Chi.
a deficiency code.
So this is actually yang deficiency, no? Ng bladder. So it's like, yeah. Tongue and pulse ng urinary bladder deficiency cold or empty
The
cold.
tongue, the empty code. The tongue is pale with white moist coating, and the pulse is deep and weak.
Okay, so talagang characteristic yung moist coating, ha? Pag moist ang coating, that's definitely cold.
Cold.
Deficiency cold or yang deficiency. Key points ng urinary bladder deficiency cold.
There's frequent, clear, and copious urination, urinary incontinence, plus yang deficiency signs and symptoms.
Very good. Pattern.
It's damp heat in the urinary bladder.
Okay, very good. Next, tongue and pulse.
The tongue is red with yellow coating, and the pulse is slippery and rapid.
Brilliant. Next, what are the key points in damp heat in the urinary bladder?
There's frequent, urgent, burning, and painful urination, plus damp heat signs and symptoms.
Okay, the heat here is the painful, no? Burning. Next, common signs and symptoms with urinary bladder damp heat and small intestine excess fire. So this is basically SI and bladder, okay? Yeah.
There's frequent, urgent, burning, painful urination, dark urine, blood in the urine. There's thirst, may have chills and fever, or there's urinary blockage.
Very good. Next, common signs and symptoms with urinary bladder deficiency cold and small intestine deficiency cold.
Frequent, clear, and copious urination, intolerance of cold limbs, lassitude, listlessness, pale tongue with a white moist coating, deep, weak pulse.
Great. Okay. What symptoms do virtually all lung patients have?
Coughing,
lung signs.
wheezing,
Lung signs.
lung patterns.
Okay.
There's
And
coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, and expectoration of phlegm.
okay. What lung pattern symptoms present in the throat?
There's hoarseness, sore throat, weak voice, inability to push air out.
Very good. What lung pattern symptoms present in the nasal passages?
Runny and or congested nose, and there's sneezing also.
Very good. And the last one for you. What does white or opaque phlegm indicate in lung patterns?
It indicates heat or cold.
So how do you
If it's heat,
differentiate?
If it's heat, it's thick, opaque phlegm.
Okay.
If it's cold, it's thin, watery, white phlegm.
So it's the thickness, no?
If it's heat.
So good to know. Thank you so much, Doctora. Thank you. So we
Thanks,
can
Doc.
go back to your patient.
Thank you, Doc.
Sorry. Thank you, po. Now let's go back to Ma'am Mary Jen, who will redeem herself. Ma'am Mary Jen,
Yes.
good evening ulit. Good afternoon po pala. That's 81 to, can you take care of everything? Okay. This one, you need to know these things. Tinanong ito ni Dr. Gavino, no? So, medyo na-disappoint ako, konti lang sumagot or walang sumagot. What are the symptoms of wind heat invading the lung?
I think it's
Don't say
fever. It's
Yes.
fever and mild chill.
Yes.
Red eyes, light thirst, and sa lungs, cough, stick yellow phlegm,
Okay.
nasal congestion with yellow mucus and sneezing. Sore throat, plus yung pulse niya is floating and rapid.
And then the
Tapos yung
tongue.
tongue is red or red in the tip.
Very good. What is the difference in the throat with wind heat and wind cold?
So, ang worst, ang heat, sore throat, tapos yung cold naman, itchy throat.
Oh, yun ang pagkakaiba,
So,
ha? Yan. Next, what are the symptoms of phlegm heat obstructing the lung?
Phlegm heat, yung vigorously fever, tapos may phlegm, exaggerating heat, tapos thirst, constipation, tapos ano pa to? Meron siyang excess internal heat. So, yun lang.
Okay.
Sa lungs naman, cough, sneezing, thick yellow phlegm, flaring nostril. So, meron siyang oppression in the chest, tapos blood in the cough, tapos nose, so may mga phlegm siya. Pulse rapid, slippery tongue, red pa rin siya, tapos slimy yellow.
Yellow
FR
coated.
lang to for,
Okay. Very good.
yeah.
Slippery is
Tama.
phlegm. Heat is rapid, no? Next, what are the symptoms ng phlegm dump obstructing the lung? This time it's phlegm dump, not phlegm heat.
Yes. So it's fullness, oppression in the chest, nausea,
Retching.
Ibig sabihin ng spleen, dump. So fatigue, so over fatigue. Tapos ano pa, yung sa lungs naman, kappa din is missing with white naman siya, hindi siya yellow. White phlegm, sa pulse, slippery, moderate, tapos become the excess plus deficiency. So sa tongue, thick, slippery, cold or moist. So white coat, if cold.
Great. What is the difference in the expectorated phlegm, sa phlegm heat, and phlegm dump?
So sa heat is thick, yellow phlegm. So sa damp is thin, white phlegm.
Good. What lung pattern includes spleen symptoms?
Spleen symptoms. So 78 po ba? No,
86.
87. Ito, okay. So sa damp, phlegm damp,
Okay,
nausea,
it's phlegm dump. Kasi the spleen is almost always involved pag may dampness. Very good. Yeah. Right? Phlegm dump. There's nausea, retching. What are the symptoms of lung qi deficiency?
lung deficiency, fatigue, lack of strength, bright white complexion, spontaneously sweat if wei qi is deficient. So ang lungs naman is weak, cough, sneezing, shortness of breath, easily winded. Low, timid voice, lazy to speak, lack of qi. Ang pulse naman ay weak, empty, forceless. So ang tongue is pale.
Oh, it's just pale. Next, what's different about the cough in lung qi deficiency as opposed to excess like heat evil or phlegm?
Sa heat evil or phlegm is weak cough with
Heat evil?
chills.
Heat evil and phlegm? Weak ang cough? No.
Wait lang. Excess condition.
Excess yung heat evil, di ba?
Heat evil. Phlegm, heat, both have strong cough.
Okay. Pag weak, Chi deficiency yan. Weak yung cough. Medyo mahinhin yung ubo. Kasi kulang siya ng energy to force the cough. So pag malalakas yung ubo, that's excess. Phlegm dump or phlegm heat or heat evil. Next. What are the symptoms of lung yin deficiency?
Tidal fever, dry mouth, throat, night sweat, marked ill health, indicating body deteriorating. So, ang lungs is cough, nose, scurry, sticky phlegm. Tapos horse's voice, rapid breathing, like deficiency, heat, pulse. Ang pulse is rapid and thin. Ang tongue is red. Uncoat, mirror red.
Okay. So hindi maganda yung tongue na mirror na yung red, no? Nakikita mo na yung reflection. That's not good. Next. What is the pattern here?
Heat in the large intestine.
Very good. What about this?
Heat obstruction, the large intestine.
Heat obstructing
Oh,
the large intestine. Next, what's the pattern here?
Damp
Okay.
heat in the large intestine.
Very good. Sudden cramping. Ano pattern dito? Pag may mga cramps na.
Cold invading the large intestine.
Very good. Next. What about here?
Chi
BT2.
stagnation. Chi stagnation of the lung in the large intestine.
Very good. Okay, what about this?
Large intestine dry.
Great. Here.
Large intestine cold. Used to large intestine.
Duck droppings, no? Imagine parang mga dumi ng ducks. Next.
Collapse of large intestine.
Okay. Okay, they want their abdomen to be massaged. No? Next, what are spleen signs?
Spleen sign, no appetite, tiredness, loose stools, abdominal distension after eating, frequently urgency of urination, bearing down sensation in the
Very good.
abdomen. Okay.
Stomach common signs.
Stomach common sign, wala ako sagot dito.
Ay, bakit? Ano ba yan?
Ay, nakalimutan kanina.
Ay. No, this
Sorry.
is very important. Okay, these are the answers. Epigastric pain. It's very stomach.
Okay.
Nausea, vomiting, hiccups. That's stomach. Okay, what's your answer here? What's the pattern? Before we call on...
Loose of the abdomen. Spleen is not controlling the blood. So spleen not controlling blood.
Why? Do we have any blood issue here? Do you see petechiae? Do you see bleeding? Parang ang layo yata.
Dry stool.
Wala pa tayong, no. Although it's also spleen chi deficiency, but that's not found here. So this is deficiency of spleen chi deficiency, no? Improper diet, overstrain, stress, prolonged illness. So pag nagkasakit ka ng matagal, months, this will affect your spleen chi. So it cannot transform and transport. Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am Erda.
Thank you.
Mary France. Let's
Thank
go back
you.
to Dr. Janine. She will end the session for today. Great.
All right, Doc.
What's your answer here?
Thinking of spleen chi or zong chi.
Yes. Very easy because meron tayong nakikitang prolapse, nephrotosis, no? Bumababa si ano. Okay? Yeah, very good. Next. Okay. That is easy.
Spleen-Yang deficiency.
Very good. See, I'm sure tiningnan nyo lang to. Unahin nyo yung tongue and pulse, no? I'm sure you'll all get a perfect score sa pattern differentiation. 103.
Okay, bloody stools. A failure of spleen controlling blood.
Ito na yung dapat yung sagot niya kanina, no? Dito po dapat yung answer. Kasi meron tayong blood issues, no? Menorrhagia, and metastasis. Next. What's your pattern here?
Oh, disturbance of spleen.
By
Hindi ko alam yung C to D, Doc. I don't know what that means.
cold and cold tongue.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Oh, ito naman
Alright.
siguro alam mo na yung DNH.
Ito is, retention of damp to heat in spleen.
Yes. If it's not cold damp, then it should be damp heat. Next.
Damp heat.
Okay, ito ha. The patient feels hungry but doesn't want to eat.
Stomachian deficiency.
Very good. Malapit na tayo. Great. Okay, what's your answer here?
Retention of food in the stomach.
Yes. At saka mabaho ito, foul belching. And if lumapit ka sa pasyente, may naamoy ka. Yun na yun. Tingnan mo yung tongue, napaka-thick ng coat. Okay? And finally, the last one is
Cold in the stomach. May isa pa, Doc. Cold in the stomach.
ay dinilit ko na yung isa. Yan na.
Delete mo na.
Parang may mali doon. Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining. Okay, would you be able to join me again on Friday for another session?
I hope so, Doc.
Yes.
Or shall we do it tomorrow?
so.
Nasagot niyo na ba yung number 8? Ano?
Nasagot
Number
na.
7? Ay, nasagot na. So we'll have it tomorrow then. Right after the webinar.
Sila, Doc. Ewan ko kung nasagot nila.
Okay, Ma'am Erdeles, you had 2 weeks to prepare.
Sige, Doc, bukas na lang kasi Friday. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-off na naman. Off ko pa bukas
Oo,
eh.
na kayo mag-off sa Friday. Thank you so
Doc,
much.
mag-e-exam pa kami.
Ano po?
Mag-exam sana kami sa anatomy. Tomorrow pwede po ba?
Pwede. Walang problema. Madali lang anatomy. Okay, so again, let's decide. Tomorrow, can we meet again? Right after the webinar?
4:45, Doc.
4:45, yes.
Ako mauna, Doc, kasi may dinner kami sa ano.
Oh yeah, very good. So let's finish it in 1 hour. Thank you so much, Dr. Janine, Ma'am Mary Jen, Dr. Anjali, and Ma'am Erdeles.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.
Sir Victor. I hope it's okay. So
Sorry for being
tomorrow,
late.
tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow. So we cannot do it on Friday. Let's do it tomorrow then.
Yes, Doc.
Okay,
Thank you
thank you very
po.
much, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care and
Stay tuned.
enjoy the ambience.
God bless po.
God bless.
Thank
Bye-bye
you.
po.
God
Tomorrow,
bless.
4:45 tomorrow. Bye-bye.